Hey you guys, I am making cube steak. So I'm gonna put some olive oil into the pan. So I love to cook my cube steak like that. And yeah, so I'm making cube steak. And I love to make my cube steak like this, you guys. And I have the fire on low, okay? So that way you can see how I make my cube steak. And I know a lot of people are gonna say, oh, olive oil, that's a little bit too much, but that's how I cook my cube steak, you guys. I love oil. It's not regular oil, it's olive oil. So, you know, it be delicious, okay? It be really, really good. And that's how I make my cube steak. I'm gonna put the fire up a little bit. I have the fire on 2. I love to make my cube steak like this. To get all the seasoning. So as you can see, I placed my cube steaks in the pan. And then I let them simmer into the olive oil because I love to cook my cube steak like this. I'll be right back. So as you can see, the cube steak is sizzling right now. So while that is sizzling, I will be cutting up some red onions and some garlic, okay? You see how that's sizzling? I love it. I love to cook my steak in olive oil. Oh, you guys, only you knew how much flavor it gives. Okay, I am back, you guys, with this. Put the fire down a little bit low. Now I'm going to add my onions, because y'all know how I am about my onions. Onions. Then we're going to add some garlic. As you can see, I'm adding some garlic into it as well. I love big onions, cut up big onions. I don't cut my onions small, never did. Then I'm adding some garlic in there. You guys know how much I love red onions. So yes. We're gonna let that cook. Let that cook. That marinate up in there. I like for the steaks to cook on top of these are cube steaks, you guys. I like for them to simmer and cook on top of the onions. Okay. This is gonna be really good. So I'm gonna cut that there. And then I'm going to add top to it just to let it simmer. This is going to be really good. So as you can see, it has the red texture. As you can see, the red texture is from the sassoon. I put sassoon on it and I let it simmer into it, the cube steaks. So I will be right back, you guys. That's how I make my gravy. Even though the cube steaks produce the gravy, but you'll make a better gravy with the sassoon mixed with the oil, the olive oil, and everything in it. Okay, and I will let that simmer, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, this is the steak. You see how that gravy is produced? You see how that gravy is produced? It looks so freaking good. This is why I suggest that you use the sassoon, because the sassoon makes that gravy. You see that? It looks really good and nice and juicy. Yes, so I always suggest you make your steak in a little olive oil because it produces nice gravy and it's good. Not regular oil, it gotta be olive oil. So I'm gonna let that sit here and simmer, and I'm gonna plate it and let you guys see, and I will see you guys soon.